Is your Jotform login not working? Maybe the page won't load, your password keeps failing, or you're stuck in an endless login loop. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Jotform login issues in 2026. So let's get started. First, make sure you're entering the correct email and password. Even a small typo can prevent you from logging in successfully. Jotform supports different login options like email, Google, or other providers. Make sure you're using the same method you originally signed up with. If you can't log in, try resetting your password. Click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your email. A weak or unstable connection can prevent the login page from loading properly. Test your internet and try again. Old browser data can interfere with login sessions. Clear your cache and cookies, restart your browser, and try logging in again. Extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools can block login scripts. Temporarily disable them and try again. If login still doesn't work, switch to another browser or device. Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or even mobile browsers may work better. Sometimes the problem isn't on your side. If Jotform servers are down or under maintenance, login issues can happen globally. I mean, there's nothing you can fix locally in that case. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off. These services can sometimes block secure login sessions. If nothing works, wait a while and try again later. Sometimes login systems get overloaded during peak traffic. And that's how to fix Jotform login not working in 2026. Most login issues are caused by wrong credentials, browser problems, or temporary server issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.